This video is about removing the browser notifications associated with the site News-vubana.cc. So this site News-vubana.cc is totally faulty and truly deceptive. It tries to make people click on allow, supposedly to help them watch some video. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If you do that by mistake, your browser would be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that will be periodically attacking the screen. If you have clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, then settings, then privacy and security, site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.